Traditional AI tools assist humans with specific tasks. Agentic AI works more like digital employees. Given a goal, agents figure out the steps, use necessary tools, handle obstacles, and complete work autonomously. Fundamental shift in how AI creates value. Agentic systems break complex goals into steps automatically. Research a topic, then summarize findings, then draft report, then format document. Chain of actions without human intervention at each step. End-to-end task completion. Agents use tools to accomplish tasks. Search engines for research. Calculators for math. APIs for data access. Code execution for analysis. Email for communication. Agents orchestrate multiple tools to achieve goals. Invoice processing agents extract data, validate, route approvals, update systems. Customer onboarding agents gather information, verify, create accounts, send welcome materials. Report generation agents collect data, analyze, write, distribute. Complete workflows. Agentic systems typically include human checkpoints for important decisions. Agent proposes action, human approves. Balances autonomy with accountability. Trust builds gradually as agents prove reliable. Appropriate oversight essential. Start with well-defined, repeatable processes. Ensure clear success criteria. Build in error handling and escalation. Monitor agent performance continuously. Expand scope as confidence grows. Thoughtful deployment matters. Agentic AI completes multi-step business processes autonomously using tools and reasoning. Transforms AI from assistant to worker. Requires thoughtful implementation with appropriate oversight. Significant productivity potential for suitable processes. Agentic AI covered. Next video explores robotics and AI, where artificial intelligence meets the physical world through robots and autonomous machines.